Wow, why is there a chicken in your house?
Oh, that's Daisy.
You gave your chicken a name?
Of course, she's part of the family.
Most people have dogs or cats.
I wanted something different.
Does she always walk around the living room?
Every day, she thinks she owns the place.
I think she just looked at me.
She judges everyone.
That's a little scary.
Don't worry, she's friendly.
Friendly? She keeps following me.
She probably likes your shoes.
My shoes?
They're bright yellow. Daisy loves bright colors.
That's the weirdest thing I've heard today.
It gets weirder.
Oh no.
She watches TV with me every evening.
You're joking.
Nope. Her favorite show is cooking competitions.
Isn't that dangerous for a chicken?
Maybe she's looking for new recipes.
That's a terrible joke.
I know.
Wait, is she sitting on the couch?
That's her favorite spot.
Where do you sit?
Wherever Daisy lets me.
So the chicken is the boss.
Absolutely.
Does she lay eggs?
Sometimes.
That's useful.
Yes, but she expects compliments.
You compliment your chicken?
Every single time.
What do you say?
Great job, Daisy. You're amazing.
I can't believe this conversation.
Most people can't.
Wait, why is she coming toward me?
Relax. She just wants a snack.
I don't have any food.
Check your pocket.
Oh, I forgot I bought popcorn.
She can smell it from across the room.
That's impressive.
Daisy has superpowers.
You're making that up.
Maybe.
Okay, can I pet her?
Sure.
Hey, Daisy, you're actually pretty cute.
See? I told you.
I came here to visit you.
And you became friends with my chicken.
I definitely didn't expect that today.
Nobody ever does.
Next time, I'll bring Daisy a snack.
She'll love you forever.
Hey, did you eat the large pepperoni pizza that I left in the refrigerator last night?
Which pizza are you talking about?
The one in the big red box with my name written on the top.
Oh, that pizza. Yes, I know which one you mean now.
Please don't tell me you actually ate it.
Well, I honestly thought it was for everyone in the house.
It wasn't. I even wrote my name on the box with a black marker.
I saw the name, but I thought it was the name of the pizza restaurant.
My name is Alex, not Pepperoni Palace.
When you say it like that, it does sound a little silly.
So, tell me the truth. How many slices did you eat?
I only ate one slice, at first.
At first? What does that mean?
Then I got hungry again, so I had another slice.
And after that?
Well, I couldn't stop eating because it tasted so good.
Just give me the real number.
Okay, I think I ate 4 slices altogether.
4 slices? That's half of the entire pizza.
They were small slices, if that makes you feel any better.
No, it really doesn't make me feel better.
I'm sorry, I didn't realize you were saving it for dinner.
So where did the other 4 slices disappear?
That's actually a funny story.
I'm not sure I'm going to like this story.
I gave 1 slice to my brother because he was really hungry.
Okay, that's 1 slice.
Then I gave another slice to my sister while she was watching TV.
Fine, that's 2.
After that, our neighbor knocked on the door because he smelled the pizza.
Wait, you gave my pizza to the neighbor?
He looked so excited that I couldn't say no.
I can't believe this is actually happening.
There's 1 more slice.
Please don't make this any worse.
The dog kept looking at me with those big, sad eyes.
So you gave the last slice to the dog.
Just a small piece, and he loved every bite.
My dinner turned into a neighborhood pizza party.
When you describe it like that, it does sound pretty funny.
It's funny for everyone except me.
Don't worry, I'll make it up to you.
How exactly are you planning to do that?
I'll buy you another pizza today.
Are you serious this time?
Yes, absolutely. You can choose any pizza you want.
I'd like an extra-large pepperoni pizza with extra cheese.
Done. Anything else?
I'd also like some garlic bread and chicken wings.
You're making this very expensive.
You ate my dinner, remember?
That's a fair point.
Maybe we should order dessert, too.
Slow down. You're starting to sound like a whole restaurant menu.
I think I deserve it.
Okay, let's order everything.
Great. Let's use your phone.
There's one small problem.
What kind of problem?
I forgot my wallet at work this morning.
You're kidding, right?
I really wish I were joking.
So who's going to pay for all this food?
You pay now, I'll give you the money tomorrow.
You promised that last week, too.
I know, and I still feel bad about it.
Do you have another idea?
What if we make homemade pizza together?
Are you actually good at cooking?
I've watched hundreds of cooking videos online.
Watching videos and cooking are two very different things.
Maybe today is the perfect day to learn.
All right, let's give it a try. Why is the pizza dough stuck to the ceiling?
I tossed it in the air like a real chef, but it never came back down.
And why is there flour all over the kitchen?
I might have used a little too much.
Why is the dog covered in melted cheese?
He wanted to help, or maybe he just wanted another free meal.
I think ordering pizza would have been much easier.
I completely agree with you now.
This time, please don't eat my pizza before I get home.
I promise I'll leave every single slice for you.
Can I really trust you?
Well, you might want to hide the pizza just in case.
That's probably the smartest idea you've had all day.
Thanks, I think.
Come on, let's order another pizza.
And this time, I promise I'll only look at it.
That's exactly what worries me.
Excuse me, are you my Uber driver?
No, I'm not. Why would you think that?
You're sitting in a black car and you're looking at your phone.
So are half the people in this parking lot.
Good point. Sorry about that.
It's okay. You're not the first person to ask.
Really?
Yes. Last week, someone opened my back door and said, "Airport, please."
Seriously?
Yes, I almost started driving just to see what would happen.
That would have been hilarious. Where are you actually going? Downtown. I'm meeting a friend for lunch.
Nice. What restaurant?
Mario's Italian Kitchen.
Oh, I love that place. Their pizza is amazing.
That's exactly why we're going.
So, what does your real Uber look like?
Let me check. It says it's a white Toyota Camry.
Well, this is a black Honda Civic.
I guess I was way off.
Just a little.
Sorry for bothering you.
No problem. It made my day.
Really?
Yes, I needed a good laugh this morning.
I'm glad I could help by being confused.
Everyone has those days.
Especially before coffee.
Did you forget to drink yours?
I bought one, but I left it on top of my car.
You're kidding.
I wish I were.
What happened?
I started driving, and 5 seconds later, splash.
Oh no.
Coffee all over the road.
That's tragic.
It was the best coffee in town.
Now I understand why you thought I was your Uber driver.
My brain isn't working today.
Maybe you need another coffee.
Definitely.
There's a coffee shop across the street.
Great idea. Want to join me?
That's nice of you, but I'm waiting for my sister.
Is she late?
About 15 minutes late.
Sounds like my brother.
Does he always arrive late?
Every single time.
Maybe they're twins.
I hope not. One late person in my life is enough.
Fair enough.
Oh, I think that's my Uber.
The white Toyota?
Yes.
You should check the license plate first.
Good idea. I don't want to ask another stranger.
Exactly.
The plate matches.
Perfect.
Thanks for saving me from another embarrassing moment.
You're welcome.
Before I go,
Yes?
Are you absolutely certain you're not my Uber driver?
100% sure.
Okay, it was worth asking.
Have a great lunch.
Thanks. I hope your sister arrives before dinner.
Me too.
Bye.
Bye, and don't leave your next coffee on the roof of your car.
I'll do my best.